Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my braid out on my short natural hair, featuring a few products from Petrie. I have their Curl Baby Defining Gel, their Braid Glaze, which is an amazing edge control, my absolute fave, and then their swoop brush for swooping down those edges. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair in 4 different sections. This just helps me to maintain all of this thickness that I have. Can't believe how fast my hair is growing. And next I'm going to wet my hair a little bit. You want it damp, not wet. And I'm going to split each section into 3 to 4 more sections and add my products. So I'll have a total of 12 to 16 braids. I think for this braid out I did 16 braids. And I'm going to go in with the Aveda Nutri Plenish Leave-In Conditioner to start off, just to give my hair a little bit of love. Go in with the Curl Baby Defining Gel. Work that in, and then I'm going to seal with a little bit of my oil mixture, which has grapeseed and olive oil, just to help prevent any frizziness and keep the curls together. Then I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser and detangle. You want your hair super smooth so your braids come out really sleek and there's no tangles. Then I'm going to just braid all the way down and then add a little bit of gel or water to the end just to make sure it stays put. And you can also add a perm rod at the end or throughout the whole braid just to make it super curly. Just depends on your preference. I like to let my hair dry 2 to 4 days. For this one I did 4 days and I had results that lasted me for about 2 weeks. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my fingers. And then I'm going to take down those braids really slowly. And really take your time with this because you don't want to cause any frizz. And here are all the braids taken down. And then my favorite part, we're going to separate. You can do as little or as much as you want. It just depends on how voluminous you want the curls. So just have fun with this part. The more that you separate, the more frizz you might get. You can also separate as the days go on. So you don't have to do all the separating on the first day. Just depends on what look you're going for. So definitely play around with this and you'll start to see how you like your curls and you'll know how much you want to separate them. And here is the right side separated, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my left side, which is your right side if you're viewing this. Now I'm going to go in with my hair pick and I'm going to just fluff at the roots. Make sure not to drag the hair pick down the shaft of the hair or else you are going to get lots of frizz, and we're trying to get this braid out to last as long as possible, so stick to only picking out the roots. And there are the curls. Now we're going to move on to the edges. So this is my absolute favorite edge control. Before I used to mix together a gel and an edge control just to get the hold that I needed, but with this braid glaze I only need this. It is so good. It doesn't flake up on you, it doesn't get too heavy or thick or start to get that that white residue after a few days. This is the best edge control, hands down, the only one you'll ever need. In the summer and the winter it works amazing, so definitely pick this up. Petrie is also a Black-owned business. They are based in LA, so definitely support your small businesses, your Black-owned businesses. And as you can see, it is just laying down my edges so well. Barely takes any effort. This is a really good edge control. Same thing with their gel. Their gel is absolutely amazing and gives me great holds when I'm doing my braid outs. That's the only gel I use for my braid outs. Now I'm gonna get my little scarf and lay down those edges. I just leave the scarf on for about 5 minutes. That's pretty much all my hair needs. and then I will show you the final results once I take off my scarf. And here you go, beautiful, defined, gorgeous curls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Petrie for sending these products. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.